I'm Lucy O'Brien and I'm the Operations Director here at Experience Solar and EV Solutions, and today I'd like to take you through why we are different from the rest. Number one, in-house. We at ESEV have our own in-house installers. This means we are able to provide full control of our solar PV arrays for our customers, and we do not have to subcontract out. Number two, excess energy. Most companies, guys, find it really difficult to sell back their excess energy. With us at ESEV, we have our own export tariff. This means we are able to buy back your export energy from you. Number three, our energy business EES. We were born from the success of our energy consultancy, whereby they manage over 250 million of annual energy spend. I just want to say thank you so much, guys. If you need help with your solar, export tariff or energy needs, please feel free to get in touch with me or one of my team. We will be more than happy to help you moving forward.